All right, that was a mess. So leaving Princess, what is this, Sun Princess, and in Fort Lauderdale now, and I can see the Holland America ship. Looks like it's about a mile away. So I got 3 hours. I'm just gonna go ahead and walk it, get some steps in. It's gonna be extra special with this doggone luggage and my backpack. But I think I can do it. 3 hours, I got time to sit and rest along the way and see the sights. Hey y'all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Linnell. I sold everything and now I live on cruise ships full time. I sold my house, left a toxic marriage, quit a toxic job, and now I travel the world with just a small suitcase and a backpack. If this video is a blessing to you, I want to encourage you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notifications. Hit the bell for all notifications so that you never ever miss another video. And follow me on my journey from poverty to paradise. So far so good. Lots of police escorts directing traffic, so that's pretty good. Took the backpack off and headed towards welcome to Port Everglades. Some kind of toll booth here. Interesting. So I don't see her, but oh, there she is. So this lady here, I guess it's a secured area. She asked me for my passport and for my, what's the thing called? Oh, boarding pass. She asked me for my passport and boarding pass. So I guess you're not allowed to come in this area here unless you have specific business. And this sign here, stop, all pedestrians must check in with security personnel at the booth. Was not expecting that. Cruise terminals 4 through 18. Interesting. Hello.
Good morning.
And I am not the only one who is walking. There are other people walking this way as well. I ain't asking them where they going, but they walking. Oh, you can go. I gotta stop and tie my shoe. Thank you, though. Good morning. Hey, there's the Valeria ship that I saw over in Bimini. Isn't that interesting? Interesting, the things I'm seeing out here.
Or our child.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi. I don't know if it's going to show on the camera, but there's a rocket going up. Almost looks like a space shuttle. Is someone flying to the sun? I see freedom of the seas. And the rocket is gone now. Gone from my vision, but I see, looks like Celebrity Apex.
It's too short.
So where are we? You can't even see my ship no more. It's on the other side of the Disney ship. And I only see 2 ships, but I know that there's at least 4 ships over there because I saw them from Sun Princess. So I think I've walked probably about a mile. Just like you see at the airports, they actually have a cell phone lot here. I guess if you're here coming up to pick someone up from a cruise and they're not ready to get off the ship, this is where you kind of hang out and text them to let them know you're here. Come on, get off the ship. I'm waiting for you. And this is interesting. For whatever reason, the sidewalk ends here, and I'm gonna have to go across the street to get on the other sidewalk. Why they stopped it? Really, people? Yeah, I don't know what's on that side that they couldn't have a sidewalk continue, but let's keep going. All right, so I've walked about a mile. And my feet hurting. So time to take a little 5-minute break. Let my feet rest. And then we'll keep going. So it is 10:06, so about 30 minutes, including my little, I don't know how long I sat there, 5 to 10 minutes. I got birthday pictures and I got carried away. Anywho, I'm almost to the ship, and there's a little cafe on the way there. Seafarer's House, Port of Everglades, Cafe by Big Chef. I'm not going in. I just had breakfast. and I should be on the ship by lunchtime. But if you are looking for something like this, it's right here. And I see it, at least from this vantage point I see 3 ships, but I know there's 4. So I see Freedom of the Seas, I see 2 Holland America ships, and I don't know which one is mine. And I know Celebrity, Apex, I think Apex, but a Celebrity ship is on the other side of those. So let's keep going. Alrighty, so I can see my ship now. Let's see which one is what. Freedom of the Seas. Zutterdam is there in the middle. I can't pronounce this one. Voller something is the one going this way, and then on the other side of Zutterdam is Celebrity Apex. All right, so it looks like Holland America is dominating this area. Now I see a 3rd ship. So Freedom of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. There's my ship back there. This is Volendam, Rotterdam. And there's another Holland America ship over here. I can't see the name of it though. Zutterdam, Celebration Apex, Celebrity Apex, Holland America, New Statendam. I don't know what that ship is. It's another Celebrity ship. Holland America, Volendam. I think it's also called Rotterdam. Freedom of the Seas, a Disney ship, and the ship I just got off of, Sun Princess. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cruise ships docked here in Fort Lauderdale today. All right, so this officer was nice enough to let me know that I could turn here, and there's a shortcut to get to the other side of the ship. So we shall see where this leads. But there's the other ship that I couldn't see before, the New Statendam. I don't know if I'm pronouncing these right. All right, let's go check it out. Okay. All right. All right, I made it. It is 10:30. So it took me about an hour to get here. But it's all good. Let's go check out Holland America Zutterdam.
Hello, I'm Charles, and I'm one of the porters at Port Everglades. We're one of the first persons you will meet. We are the ones that's going to make sure your bags get up to the cruise ship. We will make sure that you know where everything is, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you when you get here.
He forgot the most important part. Do not forget to tip.
Please do not forget to tip.
They out here working hard for us, y'all.
Yes, we are.
How much? Minimum $5 a bag?
Oh, man.
$2 a bag, $3 a bag,
$1,000 is too generous.
Okay. Anything under 1,000 is pretty good, y'all. Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Happy holidays, y'all.